Laverne Martin is my name, from Woodland Horizon. This is Mike. He's our stair engineer, designer, and takes care of all things software related on the stair side of the business. So Woodland started in 2005 as a small, very small company, just me and my wife working at that point. In 2010 we moved to our current facility. 2012 we had a fire, lost everything, rebuilt, and from there on is where we kind of switched direction away from being more of a sub shop for a larger company to actually designing, building, and installing our own cabinetry. So 2 or 3 years ago we added stairs to our product offering. We started with the competing software, which we eventually came to the conclusion was somewhat dated on just the interface. It was very difficult to train new people on. So that's the reason we made the switch to Staircon. Much easier interface, seemed like a more up-to-date, current, more AutoCAD type of base to it.
The install went good, and then the follow-up support with actual initial training went really well, got up to speed quickly, and then any questions I had going forward were answered either with phone call or email quickly, and helped to modify the databases or the settings. They're very quick response. So both with the Staircon CAD side and the CAM side, both open databases or the CAD side, we can edit the database, we can add to the database all our custom posts and handrails, spindles, nosings, everything that we do well, we can add right into the software for the design side. And then on the production side, in the CAM software, we can modify the configurations as things go through production. If they're not going exactly how we want them, we can tweak them here and there to run exactly what works well with our machine and what works well in our shop. So after I do the design, I export it a website that's easily accessible either online or on your phone with an app, and show the customers. Either I email them a link to it, or I'll show them on my own device the actual 3D so they can look at it. If they want to tweak something, either handrail, post, balusters, it's very easy to just change it quickly in the program, re-upload it. They can see it, even different colors. If customers come in the showroom when they want to see some of the products and stains and colors, we can do for the stair, and then we'll show them up on the big TV we have in the showroom, so we can kind of go over some of the finer details of the actual design. So when they come in the front door, it's right there on the TV, so they can see it right when they walk in. Like, oh, I think people like that.
Yeah, it's huge. 3D visualization in any software that we use, whether it's the cabinet software or whether it's Staircon, is truly a game changer for people that aren't, you can show a 2D plan to someone, but there's people that just can't, or even a 3D line drawing, there's people that just can't visualize how that's going to look in real life. Most of us that are in the industry, we can look at a 3D line drawing and we can kind of, yeah, I get it, and that's how it's going to look, but the average consumer doesn't mean much until you put it up there in a three-dimensional colored rendering of the actual space. Is huge for the sales team. So primarily we work on the residential side. We do very little commercial. We do some, but very little. It's primarily residential stairs, and it would be likely split about, I think 75% would be with builders. We team with some fairly high-end custom home builders that we provide their services to, and then the rest would be walk-ins into the showroom here, direct retail business as well. It's been a good fit, as in whole projects. When we do a cabinet project, we can now also offer stairs and sell the whole package instead of just focusing on one section of the project. So yeah, it's been a good fit, been a good software, everything's well.